Reducto Clip system is an exceptionally effective, high-performance soundproofing system that reduces a high level of both airborne sound and sound vibration energy. This system can be used in applications such as music studios, cinemas, and domestic properties suffering with loud levels of noise from neighbouring properties. This system is designed to be installed in front of the existing wall on an independent stud frame. To isolate the system from your structure, start by building a floating or isolated stud frame. Apply our 6mm ProSound isolation strip around the perimeter of the stud frame to separate the frame from the floor, walls and ceiling. The isolation strip and stud frame should not be touching the offending wall, but instead built a minimum of 10mm away and fixed around the perimeter. This strip is self-adhesive and very simple to install. This reduces flanking vibration that can transfer between the structure of the property and the stud wall. Build your stud frame using either timber or metal stud work. Vertical studs are typically installed at 600mm centres. Now fill the depth of the frame with acoustic mineral wool. This is to stop sound from resonating and amplifying in the cavity created by the stud frame. Reducto clips are now screwed to the front of the stud frame at the specified spacings. Our Reducto clip fairing channels can now be easily clipped into the Reducto clips with no screwing or fixing necessary. These run horizontally across the width of the wall. The Reducto clips and fairing channels have an exceptionally slim profile compared to alternative systems, taking up just 25mm of space. A layer of 15mm acoustic grade plasterboard is now screwed onto the fairing channels, leaving a 5mm gap around the perimeter. Acoustic plasterboard is much higher in mass than standard plasterboard. It is this mass that blocks airborne sound. A layer of self-adhesive TechSound SY100 is now stuck onto the plasterboard layer. This specialist material adds a lot more mass to the wall. It is also viscoelastic, helping to dampen more vibration energy. It also adds a different type of mass to the wall, helping to block a wider range of sound frequencies. A second and final layer of 15mm acoustic grade plasterboard is screwed onto the fairing channels through the previous layers. Finally, we fill the 5mm perimeter gap with an acoustic sealant.